Welcome back to my channel.
Today I am going to show how to activate Perplexity AI Pro for free for all Airtel users with any plan. The Perplexity Pro AI is worth Rs 17,000 per year is offered for free by Airtel. You can activate free by logging into your Airtel Thanks App. If you have not downloaded yet, download it from Play Store. Log in into Airtel Thanks application with your mobile number and enter the OTP. The CEO of Perplexity AI is an Indian. Click on the three lines shown in the left upper corner side. In the you will see the option Rewards and OTTs. Click on that. In that again you have an option Claim OTTs and more. Click on this option. It will direct to the page where you can claim the Perplexity AI Pro for free. Click on the Claim button. See what Perplexity AI Pro offers. You can search deep. And you can choose models of your choice like Gemini, GPT-4o model, etc. Analyze the contents by uploading the document and generate beautiful AI images for free with Dolly. Now click on Proceed to claim the offer. The coupon code is automatically applied to your account and Perplexity AI Pro will be activated. Now you need to create or sign in to get start using with Perplexity AI Pro. I am choosing Continue with Google and using one of email ID to log in and use. See, the Perplexity AI Pro is activated. You can download and start using Perplexity AI Pro or you can continue in browser. So I am choosing Continue in browser just to show it is working. Just said good morning. It replied good morning, how can assist you? Now I am asking it latest news. It is given the latest news by searching over the internet. As of today, the latest news is President accepted resignation of Vice President, PM Modi is moving to UK, etc. That's it, Perplexity AI Pro is activated. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share.